Here we have the 18-foot Duffy Snug Harbor going out for a little spin so we can see how she looks on the water. Here we are. We're going to do a quick video walk around tour on this Duffy electric 18-foot Snug Harbor. It was originally purchased in May of this year. Coming down, looking at the bow, we see the binnacle to tie off an anchor. Coming down the port side, we've got one of the strata-glass window panels open for a nice interior view. Here on the dock, we see some of the life jackets that are included with the boat. We can enter the vessel from either the port or starboard side, and to make entry a little easier, the canvas cover folds back. Looking forward, we see we have all-around seating with storage underneath. Behind here, the backrest, we have our mirrored locker with a setup for bottles and drink storage. Circling around, we see we have two cocktail tables, one fore and one aft, both with the drink holders built in. Down along the starboard side, here we are at the helm. We've got a place for your phone or iPod right there. Nice wood grain steering wheel with a heads-up indicator, and then our electric gauges right there along with the stereo. Throttle control is right off to the side. Behind the backrest on this L-shaped transfer seat, pulling it out, we see we have our engine compartment. There's our drive, our power pod right there, with the steering unit right here. You can see the simple mechanics of the vessel. Coming down the side, under this seat, well, that's where we have our built-in ice chest that drains over. In our formed-in fiberglass steps, we see we've got storage, and then a lockable cabinet and drawer right there. This concludes the tour on this 18-foot Duffy Snug Harbor for sale at South Mountain Yachts.